Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video with your boy Chance. With my boy Keegan and the boys that side, Mig. So we just got to the event and we didn't park inside at the show and shine. We parked over at just at the parking. So yeah, I'm gonna walk around now, show you the cars that are here. Park outside first and then I'll show you the cars that are inside the show and shine thereafter. But yeah, hope you guys are good though. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And let's get it, boys. First of all, my boys, two VR6s, two Mark 3s. Well, I'm not sure if this one is a VR6.
What?
This one I'm certain that it is. Like you guys can see with the badgings. With OEM BBSs, sunroof. Now this is sick.
You guys want this for the channel?
For which channel?
For my channel.
For your channel.
Let me give it some. Let me give you some vision.
Yeah.
What do you guys think about Nemo with his E30?
Yeah.
And me with the VR6? Because my boy, like he said, he might be building a 2.5 somewhere.
Yeah. Okay.
But not now. But he might be.
Yeah.
So when he does do the swap-ish kind of vibe, then we have a VR6
then you with the
and a 2.5 instead of having two 2.5s.
Yeah. So we can do that. I agree. But this looks hard. Yo. The car seats, boys. What? Wooden steering. On air. I think that's a gauge. Oh, it's so hard, boys. Just look at it. Two of them. Oh, flip. Really flop. Over here, boys, we have an NP200. Not sure if the car is static, but I think it is the way it came in here. Both these ones as well. The boys went flying in at the pavements, but yeah, the cars look super sick, boys. VW up. My boy doing some magic there. Away, bro. Mr. Nash. Are you good, Mr. Nash? Easy. And where's your Vorsins there, Nash?
Those were a loan set, huh?
Is it? Yeah.
It's back on the original owner's car.
Oh, okay. But the car looks hard.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
What did you come with today?
The box. Nice VW here. VWs. Mark 6. GTI. Not okay. Wrap, I think. Not sure. Back boy, static boy. Not sure as well. Looks really hard though. Mark 5. Not for sale. You gotta let them know, boy. Looks hella hard though in red. What do you guys think about this Mark 4 2-door? My boys, no ways. BBSs. The 2 doors are just hard, boys. No plates, no nothing. I love it. A3. Clean as well. I think this might be an S3 on air. What do you guys think? Is it not hard? It's really hard. And of course, boys, my own car, my E30 box, FSZ 318 on air, of course. My boy's working really hard now, huh? You working, nah? I see you. Hey, Carlos.
It doesn't belong on the car.
It doesn't?
No, this one don't come with a sound.
Is it?
They come with a normal BM sound.
Yeah.
And then also the rear, look at
the tailpipes. R32 pipes. But custom. Well, the location, yeah. Alright, boys, we are now in the show and shine. And God, I want to start with this car. It looks super filthy. It's really filthy, boys. RS3. Oh, my boys, no way. And this is the new generation RS3s. It looks so hard. Oh, Mark 6 GTI on air. It's proper though. On AMG wheels. GT3 on 3-spoke wheels. Old school Toyota Corolla. Yeah, this one is quite loud. Oh my god. A Jetta on roti forms, boys. Oh, it looks so hard. Super hard. With the two-lay roof rack. Hard air. I guess it's on air, of course, boys. Looks super hard. Mach 7R. What in the hell? But it's a TSI. Like you guys can tell with the twin pipe. Nice boot setup, sound. Probably a 5-gallon tank. Oh, it looks super clean, though, boys. With the RS wheels. Polo GT on BMW wheels. What do you guys think, boys? Oh, look at that interior. Sick interior. With the rack roof. Plain Jane. This car looks hard, boys. I love it. What do you guys think about the wide body F30? I don't know what kit this is. Wide body. What do you guys think? Do you love it? My boy Migs and his E46 looking so clean. His dad's Mach 5 GTI with the MIDI setup. Look at the wheels, my boys. Running a 225 wheel. So hard. I don't know which car's alarm is going off. It's this one. But yeah, and running also 225, so 225 squared. Mr. Skid Marks doing his magic. How's it, Skid Marks? Hey, good. Nice, bro. RS3, sedan, and the Nardo Grey. Looks hella hard, boys. Polo GTI with the big wheel, probably on air. Looks sick. Scirocco. Oh, this looks hard, boys. Damn. Let's see the boot setup. Clean boot setup. Sound, tank. Oh, it's hard, boys. Super hard. My boys, I just spotted something special. An E30, polished wheels, probably a 10J wheel at the rear, multi-valve conversion. Woo. My boys, let's look at the interior. Ubercaro material with leather inserts on the sides, Alpina shifter. Oh, steering wheel, so soft, so small. Trackless dash, recon maybe. Oh, boys, look at the thickness of the wheels. Polished centers, polished lips. Ooh. I need hardware for my mud flaps, boys. I need to get hardware for my car. 325, boys. Oh. I think this side we have a JDM corner. Not entirely, but an FD RX-7 boosted. You can just tell with the intercooler. And the canards, and oh, looks sick though. RS3, R33, Nissan GTR, boys. I don't know why it looks so off though. I think the wheels are quite small for the wide body. Over fenders. Yeah, I think the boy needs to upgrade his wheels, wheel and tire setup. Yeah, NO2 tank. I think this is the 1M, boys. This thing and its color is so rare and precious. Look, so thick. White fenders, CSL wheels. I know my boy Megs wants these wheels so bad. And the carbon diffuser, clean boot setup. Rockford sound. I know my boy Keegan's gonna go crazy over this one with the N54 engine, E90 335, my boys. Check this out. 335, twin pipe, on bags. This thing is so clean. Lovely wheel selection with the blue calipers, just to throw it off a bit, matching the BMW emblem. Oh, this thing is beautiful, boys. Mach 5 on Rotiforms. I think it's wrapped. Looks wrapped, but so clean. I like how the wheel just sits on the fenders. Oh, fitment is crazy. What do you guys think about the Mach 5 though? Hard. A45. maybe, I don't know. Bagged with the carbon hood. You don't really see carbon hoods this side, but I guess the boy went all out. Look at the bucket seats, boys. Hard. CLA 45 4MATIC. Clean. 2-door. Polished wheels. Ooh. Clean boot setup. So practical. So much room. The Godfather theme tank. This car is roomy, boys. Sheesh. Automatic. Big body. Bands. This thing looks hard. Clean Volvo 69 probably. Well, I got the hint from the number plate. Oh, the chrome accents, my boys. Everything is just super polished, so clean. The wheels polished with the white walls. Look at the bumpers, boys. You can really see yourself there. Sheesh. Classic. This is something really unique. You don't really see modified BMW GTs, but on bags. And it's blue. Oh, and the tuck fitment. Look at this, boys. How sick is this? Damn. Oh, I dig it. So impressions on the car. I'm glad that people love it. Crazy though. Shout out to you, bro.
Much later.
Someone is drinking coolant. It's like, my boy, it's like a trend now, no? After car show, we do something on the car.
Should be.
It's that thing now.
It's a sign we just need a workshop. So after event,
Those
we
are-
go home, we chill.
Yeah. So yes, boys, we just gonna change the spark plugs on the E30. So we call the Mr. Mechanic from studying. My boy has keys and done. It's like you've changed or taken out a spark plug before, almost, no?
We all took out the spark plug.
I've never seen you take out a spark plug.
Look where your spark plug sit, bro.
So?
You're inside out.
So?
My spark plug sit on the top, and I know how to take it out.
Okay.
But my spark plug, you can use the coil to take the spark plug out, isn't it?
But
No,
Keandre,
you can't.
I remember Keandre taking one out.
So I've never done it with this engine before.
So why are you shouting at me now?
Because you're busy making me sit down like, oh, the poopole, oh, the tech.
Thank you, people.
Or make people because of my lap.
Nah, I didn't say that. You see now.
Didn't I do that and you were fighting with me?
Nah, that wasn't the one. You didn't take that one,
No,
Keegan.
but still, that's my vision. And
Okay,
you didn't.
but let me show them what you
No,
used.
don't show them.
Why?
Don't
Why?
show
Why?
I wish I
Why?
could go face down.